Hi Britti, I'm Va Bene Ludovico in Art Maker Magnac, and today an update video on my workbench. I decided to make the impressions for the drawers and the various bathrooms that I want to make. I use this Chilean Pinonico plywood, which is more durable of course. It also costs more. It is wasted to do this job. You can use anything that costs less. Anyway, this now, and this I am going to use. So let's not waste time. It's just an entertainment video. I repeat, initial stop. Whoever sees it, let's see to use the waste. I like the way the design is, this kind of vein, and I got it for that. I tried to make as little waste as possible because I want to cover the whole workbench in the same way without having a piece of one color, one of another, because also the eye wants its part. I'm starting to coat the entire workbench. I want all the fronts in the drawers already, not even the sides. If I need something, I can already start making the drawers, or possibly even the top floor. That's what I meant. E12 are also ready. Won't take. The fronts cut. One front and one back. I was a little wider. If I have to recover a bit of team, something obviously, this is not my doubt at work. Now I'll show you. So I'm thinking where to place the bench inside appears on the outside. I'm not going to take an aluminum profile. I still have to leave you the site where to take it to continue the extension. I think this data is more than enough. Obviously this part will go above it, but I could do or add myself here. So here attach me if I need some clamps to tighten a piece. Or I could bring myself even, make holes always to hook hook onto a piece, but would the dealer have this outside bar? Could I cut off some of the mutants and make him stay completely inside? I'm thinking about this because if I'm fully inside, I can make a 2-zipper flap. Simple thing to cover it all, which wouldn't be a bad idea. It would be very nice to see completely useless, though nice to see a spotlight that you open and you have your cranks, your gadgets, you push them. I'm thinking about it. Obviously, there is still a lot to do. I have to decide whether to make openings. And in Pascula, the doors in the drawers, if I do the bevel, I think I will cut a couple of millimeters each part to make the right fit, and also beautiful to see. With that is all. I thank you. I greet you. Sign up. Hello, C.